How to fix page isn't available right now. This may be because of a technical error that we're working to get fixed. Try reloading this page. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video, I'll show you a few steps that you can try to fix this error right here. So keep on watching. First of all, we will have to go to our phone settings. Then from here, scroll down until you get to apps. Then you just have to scroll down until you find Instagram, or just click on the search icon from the right top corner and search for Instagram. Just like this. Now scroll down and go to storage, which is here. Then clear the data and the cache from the bottom of the screen. Now the next step is going to our Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. And now if you have an update button, you just have to click on the update button. But if you don't have it, you should uninstall your app, then reinstall it again and see if it works. You can also try to log out and then log in again and see if it works. But if it doesn't, you will have to go to your Instagram page, go to your profile, click on those three lines from the right top corner. Then you have to go to settings, the first option. Scroll down until you find help. Click on that. Then click on report the problem. Then click on report problem without shaking. Click on include and continue. And then we have to briefly explain what happened and what's not working. And you will get a response in maximum 72 hours. After that, if you still have problems, please write me in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure to answer to you as quickly as possible and help you out. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.